Hello, grade 5. This is Sir Ronnie. I hope you are all safe at home today. Since we do not have face-to-face class for today because of bad weather, I decided to make this video lesson so that we can still continue learning. Our lesson is performing three or more different operations by applying GM-DAS rules. GM-DAS tells us the correct order when solving math problems with many operations. G stands for grouping symbols like parentheses. M is for multiplication. D is for division. A is for addition. And S is for subtraction. So kapag nagsosolve tayo, ang una nating isi-simplify ay yung nasa loob muna ng parentheses. Kapag na-solve na natin yung sa loob ng parentheses, we will multiply and divide from left to right. Take note, nasa multiplication and division po, kung ano yung mauna sa left, yun ang una nating gagawin. Then, after multiplying and dividing, we will now be adding and subtracting also from left to right. Para mas maintindihan natin, subukan natin ng ilang examples. Number 1, we have here 3 plus 4 times 2 minus 5. So dito, ang una natin gagawin ay multiplication. So 4 times 2 is 8. So sa baba ng solution mo magiging 3 plus 8 minus 5. Kinopya ko lahat maliban doon sa 8. Saan galing yung 8? Doon sa 4 times 2. Yung iba, kinopya ko na lang mula sa itaas. Then, ang natitira na lang ay plus at saka minus. So gagawin natin to from left to right. So anong mauna? 3 plus 8, and that will be equal to 11 minus 5. And of course, isa na lang natitira. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Yan na po yung ating final answer. For example number 2, we have 6 divided by 3 plus 5 times 4. So meron tayong divide, may plus, may times. Anong unang gagawin? Since divide at times ang mauuna, sila muna. At dahil divide ang nasa left, yun ang una natin gagawin. 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 5 times 4. So, anong susunod dito? That is 5 times 4. Kasi mauuna yung multiplication bago addition. 5 times 4 is 20. So, it will become 2 plus 20. Isang operation na lang ang natitira. So, 2 plus 20 is equal to 22. Next, we have 3 times the quantity 9 plus 1 plus 6. So, dito meron tayong parenthesis. Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun ang una nating isi-simplify. So, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, sa baba niyan, magiging that is equal to 3 times 10 plus 6. Then, ano yung gagawin? 3 times 10 is equal to 30 plus 6. And finally, isa na lang natitira, 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Number 4, 15 divided by the quantity 3 plus 2 times 4. Again, meron tayong parenthesis or grouping symbol. Yun ang una natin gagawin. Yung nasa loob. So ano yun? 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So magiging 50. That is equal to 15 divided by 5 times 4. So, sunod ay 15 divided by 5 kasi nauna yung division sa left. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then yung times 4 dito, kinopya ko. 3 times 4 is 12, our final answer. For our fifth example, we have here 4 times the quantity 3 plus 2 minus the quantity 8 divided by 4 plus 5. So, meron tayong dalawang parenthesis na magkahiwalay. Kapag magkahiwalay yung parenthesis, para uniform tayo, ang gagawin, uunahin natin yung parenthesis sa left. Okay? Sa left muna. So, 4 times, ito magiging 5. 4 times 5 minus the quantity. So, dito tatlo yung number. Dalawang operations sa pangalawang parenthesis. Uunahin natin ang divide muna. Dadahan-dahanin natin. So, ang mauna dyan is 8 divided by 4. So, magiging 4 times 5 minus 2 plus 5. Saan galing yung 2 dito? Doon sa 8 divided by 4. Okay? Next, may parenthesis pa rin tayo. So, yung last na operation dito gagawin natin para ma-eliminate natin yung parenthesis. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, magiging ano yan? 4 times 5 minus 7. Dalawang operations na lang. Anong mauna? Sa multiplication and subtraction. Siyempre, mauuna yung multiplication. So, 4 times 5 is 20, then minus 7. Finally, 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. Para naman po sa learning task ninyo ngayong araw, ito ang gagawin. Solve each number sentence by applying the GM-DAS rule. Show your solution clearly and write your final answer. So, it should be complete solution kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. So, ito yung sasagutan. Sagutan po ninyo sa inyong mathematics notebook. Take note that I want to see a complete solution. Kung nasa Facebook group kayo, pwede nyong picturean yung inyong ginawa and then i-comment mo sa ibaba as a picture para malaman ko na pinanood mo talaga itong video.